formula. All the problems we are doing with the same formula. So kindly do along with me. If you are getting answer, post in the chat box. Now this is the next question. Out of 50 surveyed, 50 people surveyed, out of the 50 people surveyed in a study, 35 smoke in which there are 20 male. 35 smoke in which there are 20 male. What is the probability that if the person surveyed is a smoker, then he is a male? Okay. So what is asked? Then means first he is a smoker, then he is a male. Given. Okay. Given is smoker. Then indicates given is smoker. Okay. And if he is male, what is the probability? We have to find out this. So then he is a male. Already he is a smoker, then he is a male. What is the probability? This is the thing we have to find. Okay. So we know that probability of male if already smoker is nothing but intersection male smoker divided by probability of smoker. Okay. So now we will read the sentence. Out of the 50 people surveyed in a study, 35 smoke. 35 out of the 50 smoke, which means probability of smoking is 35 out of total 50, which is nothing but favorable by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Okay. Probability of smoking. In which 20 are male. 20 are male. So the thing is here probability of male intersection smoking is nothing but 20 out of total 50. This is favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Okay. Male as well as smoking is done by 20 people out of total 50 people. Now, by the side, whatever we have written is rough. Now we will go to the actual calculation, substitute, simplify. Numerator is 20 by 50. Denominator is 35 by 50. 50 gets cancelled, 20 by 35. If you cancel with 5, it is 4 by 7. Probability male given smoker, it is 4 by 7. Answer is 4 by 7. I am going to the next problem. The probability everywhere the same formula I told you. Everywhere the same formula I told you. So the probability of raining on Sunday is 0.07. Raining on Sunday. Okay, raining is happening on Sunday. It is 0.07. If today is Sunday, then find the probability of rain today. Okay, today is Sunday. Find the probability of rain today. Means today is Sunday, already known. Now what is the probability of rain? This is what we have to find. Okay, today Sunday, that is already given data. Find the probability of rain. So rain happening on given Sunday. Okay, data given is Sunday. What is the probability? This is what we have to find. Okay. Now, probability for Sunday. Probability for Sunday. Sunday is one of the 7 days. So it is 1 by 7 is the probability. This is the favorable event by total event. Total number of days 7. Total number of days 7. Favorable Sunday will come only 1 day. So 1 by 7 is the probability of being Sunday. Any day being Sunday is 1 by 7 probability. Now on the left side, probability of raining on Sunday. Okay. Probability of raining intersection, it is being Sunday, it is 0.07. Okay, from the first sentence, raining intersection Sunday, it is 0.07. Now you might be understanding, you might have already understood what I am going to do. Condition probability, it is R by S. Formula is R intersection S divided by probability of S. We know both the values 0.07 divided by 1 by 7. If you simplify, this is numerator 7 by 100, denominator is 1 by 7, and it becomes 49 by 100, which is nothing but 0.49 is the probability R by S. 0.49 is the probability R by S. I am going to next problem. Everywhere same formula I am using, no confusion. Same formula, just we have to repeatedly read the question thoroughly, understand it, and what are the given details we have to find out first clearly. Then it will be easy for solving. The next question. The Venn diagram shows the number of students studying biology and chemistry. Number of students studying biology and chemistry is given by this Venn diagram. What is the probability of a student studying biology if they are also studying chemistry? Okay, so what is asked? Probability of a student studying biology if they are also studying chemistry means it is already known. Chemistry is already known. Now, along with studying chemistry, what is the probability of studying biology? This is what we have to find out. Okay. So now we know the formula B by C is nothing but probability of, okay, if they are also studying, this is what we are trying to write. Now, probability of B intersection C divided by probability of C. This is the formula according to Bayes rule. Now, from the diagram, we know that intersection means center region, which is 13, and chemistry means a complete chemistry circle. Complete chemistry circle, it is 27. It is 27. Now, substitute simplify intersection 13 and then it is 27. This is the value for the simplification decimal. If you want, you can try. Otherwise, in the answers, if 13 by 27 is there, you can proceed with that answer. Okay. I am going to the next problem. Similar. The Venn diagram shows students that are studying a language. Okay. This diagram shows students that are studying a language. What is the probability of a student? What is the probability of a student studying 3 languages given that they are studying at least two? They are studying at least two. Okay. So what we have to find? Probability of, okay, 3 languages given means it should come in denominator. Given that they are studying at least two. At least two. Okay. So probability of a student studying 3 languages given means it will come in the denominator given that they are studying at least two. This is what we have to find. This is what we have to find. Okay. Now if we take it as A by B, we know that probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. This is the formula. Now A means all the 3 languages. All the 3 languages. From the given diagram, you can just assume this is French language, this is Sanskrit language. For convenience, I am doing like this. This is German language. Okay. Now all the 3 languages, A means all the 3 languages people are studying. The center zone, it is 7 students are studying all the 3 languages. B means, B means, okay, B means at least 2 languages. At least 2 languages. Okay. Now what is the thing? At least 2 languages. We will come with this probability of B at least 2. Okay, this is at least 2. There is no confusion. At least 2 means, okay, either 2 languages, which means French and German, okay, plus German and Sanskrit, plus Sanskrit and French, plus 3 languages also. At least 2 means 2 or above 2. French, German, Sanskrit. Okay. At least 2 means all these cases. Now French and German. French and German it is 5 plus German and Sanskrit it is 4 plus Sanskrit plus French it is 6 plus all the 3 is 7. All the 3 7. Okay. Now if you see 5, 10, 10 plus 12, 22. This is 22. B means at least 2. Okay, B means at least 2. Now what we are having? Probability of B is nothing but, probability of B is nothing but 22 by total 29 students. This is the favorable outcome by total outcome. This is the favorable outcome by total outcome. I am just calculating probability of B. Just calculating probability of B. Total student sample space is written over here. 29 is nothing but sample space. 29 is nothing but sample space. Favorable is 22 students studying at least 2 languages. At least 2 languages. Okay. Now coming to probability of A, we know here. Probability of A we know here. Probability of A is nothing but 7 students out of total 29 students. Now, what is the probability of A intersection B? Intersection means commonly. Okay. So, at least 2 means 2 languages or 3 languages. That is B. A means 3 languages alone. What is the intersection? It will be 3 languages only. It will be 3 languages only. This you have to understand. Okay. Now this is 7 by 29 only. 7 by 29 only. You have to combine A and B. Which are the regions? Okay. So A region is nothing but French plus German plus Sanskrit. French plus German plus Sanskrit. Okay. So if you see here, B is nothing but French plus German, German plus Sanskrit, Sanskrit plus French, French, German, Sanskrit. But A is nothing but French, German, Sanskrit. Okay, these are the events happening. Now, what is the common? Intersection means what is the common? Only French plus German plus Sanskrit and French plus German plus Sanskrit. This is the common thing happening. So, intersection A intersection B is nothing but French plus German plus Sanskrit. This is the intersection commonly in A and B. That's why the probability is only 7 students. Okay. Now you substitute, simplify. Intersection is 7 by 29 and B is nothing but 22 by 29. If you simplify, this is 7 by 22. 7 by 22. Okay. So whatever written by the side, it is everything rough for understanding. On the left side alone, the final answer, 2 steps, formula, substitution, only 2 steps.